back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work-from-home job lead. This company has lots of reviews. They're well-rated, and the estimated salary for this position is anywhere from $55,000 a year all the way up to $85,000 to $100,000 a year. Of course, it is non-phone. We are going to dive all in. Just know the links to all of the pages that I share are linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's company is Alpha Sites. They have 1,500 reviews on Glassdoor. They have a 3.5 out of 5-star rating. I suggest you come to this page and read some of the reviews. They are hiring a quality assurance specialist. Now, this is remote worldwide. They do not specify that I could find that it is the United States only, and I am being told by my sources that they are hiring worldwide. Of course, you are going to have to be very good in the English grammar language if you are outside of an English-speaking country. But Alpha Sites has a separate transcription group that transcribes audio files, and they're looking for a quality assurance specialist to review those transcripts when they're completed, proofreading them, making sure there are no errors. It's like the second step check process. So you'll ensure that the high transcript quality standards set by Alpha Sites are always met. You're going to use their transcription style guide and documentation to double check things. You'll access audio and transcript files via their internal platform. You're going to verify and correct any spelling of brand names, products, industry terms, and company names that are mentioned in that transcript. You'll correct the grammar and spelling in the files using Microsoft Word to track changes. You're going to check the transcripts for readability, adhering to their style guide, and you're going to grade each of the reviewed files in accordance to their 5-point system, grading that transcriptionist on how well they did. You'll provide feedback on overall quality of the files. Now, one thing to note about this position, they have long-term projects and consistent work. You will be a 1099 independent contractor, and it is a flexible schedule. If this sounds like something you're interested in, they're looking for somebody who has at least 5 years experience as an editor, proofreader, or some kind of quality assurance specialist, someone who has a great proofing and editing skills, strong attention to detail, and they do prefer that you have a degree in English, but it says they will take equivalent experience over that. And of course, you have to have those excellent English language skills. You do have to have your own access to Microsoft Word and transcription software such as Express Scribe. Now, those transcription softwares you can download online for free. Now, as far as pay goes, they did not list the actual pay in the job description. That'll need to be discussed at the time of the interview, but I did do some research on Glassdoor, and the estimated salary for a quality assurance specialist at Alpha Sites is $55,000 to $85,000 a year. I did also find a second salary listing that was $75,000 to $111,000 a year. It is probably dependent on how much work you actually do. So it looks like the pay range is $55,000 a year and up. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.